Oh yeah, somebody's walking up to the
Say thank you. You'll say thank you nicer. Oh, you gotta be nice and say thank you.
She didn't say thank you.
Yeah, well, next time they won't give you candy. Gotta be polite.
Come on, guys.
They were polite and you guys went out and got candy to give you guys. Alright, go on. Get up there. You little owl. Mom's not an owl. She thinks you're an owl, but that's... Say thank you happier.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Watch out, there's the car break. Don't want to get hit. That'll hurt yourself.
You guys having fun? Yeah, I'm getting lots of candy, I know.
I'm not getting lots of candy. I only got like 5.
Well, you're going to get more.
She got like...
Stay positive.
She got 10, I got 5.
You gotta be happy when people give you candy. Be like, thank you.
No, Grace
thank you.
10, I have...
You guys are silly.
Grace has 10, I have 5.
Yeah, well, don't keep count of how much candy you're getting.
Hey guys, go.
That's what you do after. She can't see because you're her hood. Go with Mom. Quick, Marcus, go.
Quick, you're not gonna get any candy.
Or 9 candies are the only candies you'll have. Go up, quick.
Come on. Have fun. Why do you always have to act like this?
Dad's with you right here. Let's go. Come on. Look, Grace is having lots of fun. Let's go have fun. Run. You're a ninja. Ninjas are happy. I know most of the time they're serious, but not on Halloween. You gotta wait. Oh, you don't. You open the door for them? You don't do that, silly. Thank you very much. It's all random candy. No one likes a Debbie Downer.